Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new mythical epic Gyphroom. I think that's how you pronounce it. This video is coming out pretty late because I was doing productive stuff with my life and I was not at my house. So yeah, let's go ahead and look at this mythical epic. So let's go all the way down here. Gyphroom. Gyphroom is a rare sight, often sleeping in piles of mushrooms deep in the forest. It's shy. Shies away from the sun and loves the shade. It also wears a skull to avoid getting tanned. So there are flowers going around its feet. So I'm assuming that this is a um earth type. So let's go into Shipwreck Shore to test this epic out. So let's go over here and let's get into the battle. Alright, so here we go. Let's go ahead and answer an easy question. Okay, let's see what its attack animation looks like. So it's kind of like a wolf. I thought this was going to look more like a moose or a deer, but I don't even know what I should call this. And there's still plants sprouting from its body, or from the ground. Okay, so another easy question. And so it does like a howl. I'm not sure what's on its tails. They're like leaves. And then there are some yellow mushrooms on its back. Alright, so there we go. We won the battle. 4,168 damage. This isn't a very powerful epic. And I think the ratio should be about 4 to 6. 3 to 7. Or 5 to 5 maybe. So let's look at the ratio. So yeah, the ratio is 5 to 5. So that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Here is the running animation. It's smooth, but it looks like it's running very slow. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.